4 days to go till end of this year. Yes, hello everyone, welcome. Today in the daily newspaper on Wednesday, December the 27th, 2024. We have here 3 regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 stars, the 4 stars Sudoku, and the killer Sudoku. We have also in this newspaper an additional. Yes, the additional is back. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2, the 3, and the 4 stars Sudoku with 2 jigsaw Sudokus, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star, and in Dutch they call it cyberblock, in Japanese Suguru, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now, but in the evening. Now I will solve these 3 regular puzzles. The first one I will do is the 3 star Sudoku number 9796. 9796, and before I start I always count the printed digits. Wow, this one has 27 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars is 25 and this one has 27. 2 digits more should be a 1 star. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with the 3 stars for 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Question is this a 3 stars or 1 star puzzle? We don't know. We'll see. So let's get started. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 7. We have 1 and a 7 in this row. So no 1 and a 7 in these 2 boxes. 1 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 7 in the second column. So no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 1 goes there. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in the first column. No 3 there. 3 should be here and 8 goes there. Need a 2 here. 5, 9. Need a 7 here. Let me see. 4 and 6 in this last row, 6 in the row above. So that row, the only place level 6 should be there. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So that row, the only place level 4 should be there. Then 8 in this column, last column, 8 in the column next, so that column, the only place level 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have 2 in the last row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers now in the last row, in this row for the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 3, 8, and 5. 3, 8, and 5. Okay. Then need a 3 here. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next, so last column. The only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so in the row above. The only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the last column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2, 2. 4, 2, 5, and 6. 2, 5, and 6. 5 and 6. Let me think. We have a pair in this column. 4 and a 9 in this column. 4 and a 9 in the last column. So the column between. The only 2 places left for the 4 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 9 in this first row. No 9 there. 9 should be here and the 4 goes there. 9 in the first row, 9 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the third column. No 9 there. 9 should be there. Then, let me see. We have a pair again in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and 9. We have 7 and 9 in this column, so no 7 and 9 in these two boxes. We have 7 and 9 in the second column, so no 7 and 9 in those two boxes. 2 boxes are left. This big square for the 7 and 9 goes in these 2 boxes as a pair. 7 9, 7 9. So 1 digit left in the first column for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. Let me mark those. 2 boxes here, we need a 7. We have a 7 there, we have a 7 there. That means in this row we need a 7 in one of those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes at there. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Need a 6 here. Need a 1, need a 4, and need a 8. 8, 8, 8, 8. 1, 4, and 8. 2 missing numbers now in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 6 in the first row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 6 in the third row, 6 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 in the middle row, no 6 there. The only place left for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 6. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 there. 9, 8, 5. Okay. 1, 5, and 7. 1, 5, and 7. 1, 5, and 7. No. 7, 5, and 4. 7, 5, and 4. 3 missing numbers in the second row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 4, 5, 7, 4, 5, 7, 4, 5, 7, 4, 5, 7, and look, we have 5 and 7 in this column, no 5 and 7 in this box. 5 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, so 1 digit left should be the 4 here. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, first column, so the column between the second column, the only place left with 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 4. Okay, 2 numbers left now. In this big square for numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 1 goes there. 1 and a 7, we have 1 now in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 7 and a 9, we have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, 9 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 1 box left now in this row for number 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 3 in the 7, we have 3 now in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 7 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the second row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this column for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing, 1 and 8, 1 and an 8. Let me mark those. The other pair should be the 7 and the 5. We have a 7 in the first row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 7 or 5. We have a 7 now, so this box should be a 5. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and a 7. We have a 7 in the first row, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 and an 8, we have a 1 in the first row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 8 goes there. 1 box left in the first row for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in the third column, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 2 goes there. 1 box left now in the middle row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 5 goes there, and the final 2 numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. We have 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 1 goes there. 11 minutes. Wow, this one is a quick one to solve. Definitely a 0 stars. I'm faster than 13 minutes, so I'm well pleased with time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also myself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.